Hello, I'm Jason, the useless cook, and today I'm going to show you how to make biscuits and gravy with maple syrup. Very tasty. First thing I'm going to do is baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt, then 2 cups flour. You don't have to worry about it being exact, it'd be fine. Then you want to add in the baking soda and everything else. Add in half a cup of milk. Give it a stir. You just want to add a half cup at a time till you get as you want. I end up using a whole cup. It's fine. Because you don't want it too thick. Because you want it like a nice drop dough. Because we're making a simple biscuit here. A very simple one. That takes no time at all to make. As you see there, it's pretty much done. My camera fell, that's why. So, it fell down. Yeah. Technical issues happen. Now, when the dough is ready, you want to get your disher, spray it with the cooking spray in the pan as well, and start dishing out. Like so. Now this dough is sticky, so that's why we want to use the grease. And of course I'm using a well-loved cooking sheet. It's been in the family for I don't know how long. And there you go, I was able to get 10 out of that. Now what I'm doing here is melting down some bacon fat. You should always save your bacon grease. It comes in handy. Sorry about the glare of the lights. I need a better studio. Now of course I'm using a cast iron here. That's what I prefer. I put my hand over it to check temp. Just get in there, it's right there. And now at temp, I'm dropping in some ground sausage. This is mild Italian, but you can use whatever you want, of course. Now I'm just breaking it up and going to brown it. That's all you want to do here. Now I had this on super speed. Because nobody wants to watch meat brown forever. Doesn't take too long, but it's not the most interesting to watch. You see there, it's browning out nicely. Look at that. There it is. Nice brown sausage. Took no time at all down, did it? Now, I'm not going to drain any of the fat. I usually don't do that because, you know, like I say, fat adds flavor. What I'm doing here is adding 1 cup of milk. Oh no, that was half a cup. Sorry, half a cup milk. I keep doing that. Now what you do is get it to a simmer. Slowly add a bit more milk because it wasn't high enough. Just a half cup of flour. And that was enough. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon, maybe 2, of maple syrup. You can add as much or little as you want. It's up to you. And a tad bit more milk. Still not a full cup, still a bit more, over a half, but not a full cup. Now you can make this as thick or thin as you want. It's It's up to you how you like your gravy. I like my gravy a little bit thicker, but that's just me. All you want to do is bring this up to a simmer, a nice light boil. You see there's bubbling. Like you see it as I pull the spoon back, you see that space that stays there. The longer that stays there, the thicker it gets. So that's how I tell you when it's done. Now I'm taking the biscuits. And just pouring some gravy on them. Now some people like to cut the biscuits in half, put butter on them. It's totally up to you. I like to do it like this. And a lot of gravy. And there you go. Biscuits and gravy with maple syrup. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And also don't forget to subscribe and like. And leave a comment. And also, I have some donation links down in the description, which I'll appreciate if you could help me out a bit. Thank you again. Have a nice day.